welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn one of the most popular technologies in the IT industry, that is Salesforce. If you are a complete beginner and don't know anything about Salesforce, don't worry. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of what Salesforce is, where it is used, why companies use it, and why learning Salesforce can be a great career choice. So, let's get started. Imagine you own an online shopping company like Amazon. Every day, thousands of customers visit your website. Some buy products, some ask questions, and some return products. Now, imagine storing all this in customer information in Excel sheets. It would become confusing and difficult to manage. This is where Salesforce comes into the picture. Salesforce is a cloud based customer relationship management platform that helps businesses manage customers, sales, customer service, marketing, and many other businesses operations from one place. The word cloud based means the data is stored securely on the internet instead of your personal computer. So, employees from the different locations can access the same information anytime. Think of a Salesforce as the digital brain of a company. It remembers every customer interaction, helping businesses provide a better service and make smarter decisions. Example, Amazon remembers your orders, Flipkart remembers your addresses, and Swiggy remembers your previous orders. Behind these personalized experiences, companies use CRM systems like Salesforce. Now that we know what Salesforce is, let's understand CRM because Salesforce itself is a CRM platform. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. Customer relationship management is both a strategy and the technology, which is used to build and maintain strong relationships with the customers. Let's understand this with an example. Suppose you visit the same hospital every month. The doctor already knows your medical history, previous prescriptions, and test reports. You don't have to explain everything again because the hospital stores your information in a system. That's exactly what a CRM does. It stores customer information, tracks every interaction, and helps businesses provide better service. A good CRM doesn't just store data, it helps businesses understand their customers and build long term trust. Many beginners think a Salesforce is only for software companies. But that's not true. Salesforce is used in almost every industry. For example, banks use Salesforce to manage customer accounts and loan applications. Hospitals use it to manage patient information. Students and universities use it for admissions and student records. Retail companies use it to manage customers, orders, and loyalty programs. Insurance companies use it to manage policies and claims. Wherever there are customers, Salesforce can be used. That's why Salesforce is one of the most widely used business platforms in the world. Now, you might ask, why don't companies simply use Excel? Imagine a company with 10 lakh customers. Would Excel be enough? Definitely not. Companies use Salesforce because it stores all customer information in one place. automate repetitive work, improves communication between teams, provides reports and dashboards, and also keeps business data secure. For example, suppose a customer raises a complaint on a company's website. Salesforce can automatically assign that complaint to the correct department and send an email to the customer, notify the manager, and track the complaint until it's resolved. This saves time and improves customer satisfaction. Today, Salesforce is one of the fastest growing technologies in the world. Thousands of companies are looking for Salesforce professionals. The best part is that you don't need to be an expert programmer to get started. Salesforce offers excellent career opportunities, good salaries, globally recognized certifications, and both no code and coding career paths. If you are a student looking for a future proof career, Salesforce is a great option. Salesforce isn't just one job, it's an entire career ecosystem. If you enjoy configuring systems without coding, you can become a Salesforce administrator. If you love programming, you can become a Salesforce developer. If you enjoy understanding business needs, you can become a business analyst. If you like solving client problems, you can become a Salesforce consultant. And with experience, you can grow into an architect, designing complete Salesforce solution for large organizations. What can Salesforce do? Salesforce does much more than store customer information. It can manage leads and customers, track sales opportunities, automate approvals and emails, generate reports and dashboards, build custom business applications. For example, imagine a customer fills out a contact us form. Salesforce can automatically create a lead, assign it to a salesperson, send a confirmation email, and remind the salesperson to follow up. Everything happens automatically. Is coding required? This is one of the most common questions beginners ask. The answer is no, not at the beginning. If you want to become a Salesforce administrator, most tasks are done using clicks instead of code. If you want to become a Salesforce developer, you will learn Pix, Lightning Web Components, JavaScript, HTML, and CSS to build custom solutions. So you can start without coding and gradually learn programming if you choose the developer path. Basic Salesforce architecture. Let's understand how Salesforce stores information. Think of a school. The student object is like a register. Each student is one record. Inside each record, details like a name, rule number, email, and phone numbers are called fields. So the flow is like user, Salesforce platform, objects, records, and fields. This simple structure helps Salesforce organize millions of records efficiently. So, today we have learned what Salesforce is, what CRM means, where Salesforce is used, why companies choose Salesforce, why it is a great career option, different Salesforce career roles, what Salesforce can do, whether coding is required, basic Salesforce architecture. Remember, Salesforce is not just a software platform. It's a technology that helps businesses build strong customer relationships and work more efficiently. If you are serious about building a Salesforce career, start with the basics. practice regularly on trailhead, and build real world projects. Every expert started as a beginner. Thank you.